Greetings to all. After the de Broglie concept, we will learn about Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Here, what do you mean by the uncertainty? Uncertainty means with about which we can't explain certainly. As according to de Broglie concept, all the microscopic particles, they have dual character. They have particle nature as well as wave nature. According to Heisenberg uncertainty, it is impossible to measure position as well as momentum of microscopic particle simultaneously with accuracy. If we want to measure both position as well as momentum of microscopic particle, then there must be an error, and that error is always greater than h by 4 pi. Now, what is the Heisenberg uncertainty principle? According to this principle, it is impossible to measure simultaneously position and momentum of a microscopic particle. Microscopic particles means the position and momentum of either protons, electrons or neutrons. If we want to measure position as well as momentum simultaneously, then there must be an error, and that error is always equal to or greater than h by 4 pi, where delta x is error in position or uncertainty in position, delta p is error in momentum or uncertainty in momentum. As we know that momentum is equal to mv, where m is the mass of the particle and v is the velocity. As there is no change in the mass of the particle, but there is change or error in velocity. So, delta p is equal to m delta v, because mass of a particle is always constant. It does not change. So, in this equation, first equation, we can also write delta x into m delta v is equal to h upon 4 pi, where h is Planck's constant, v is error in velocity, m is the mass of the particle, delta x is the error in the position of the particle. If there is small error in the position, or there is more accuracy in the position of the particle, then there is large uncertainty or inaccuracy in the momentum of the particle. According to this equation or this relationship, lesser the uncertainty in position, lesser the uncertainty in position or in delta x, greater the uncertainty in momentum, as h H is constant, 4 is constant, pi is also constant. Therefore, delta x and delta p, they are inversely proportional to each other. Lesser the uncertainty in the position, higher the uncertainty in position. Higher the uncertainty in position, lesser the uncertainty in momentum, and vice versa. Now, what are the applications of Heisenberg's uncertainty principle? There is only one application of this principle, that he explained why is the electron not reside in the nucleus. As we know that according to Rutherford model or Bohr's model, electrons are revolving around the nucleus. They are not present inside the nucleus. This is the nucleus of the atom, and we consider that electron or electron is present inside the nucleus. If we consider that if electrons are present inside the nucleus, then delta x or uncertainty in the position of the electron is equal to the size of the nucleus, that is 1 fermion or 10 raised to power minus 15 meter. Here delta x is the uncertainty in its position where this electron is present inside the nucleus. This uncertainty is equal to the size of the nucleus, that is 1 fermion or 10 raised to power minus 15 meter. And m is the mass of the electron, because we consider here the microscopic particle is electron, and its mass is 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 kilograms. And delta v we have to calculate. According to Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, we know that there is relationship between uncertainty in position and uncertainty in its momentum, that is equal to delta x into m delta v is equal to h upon 4 pi. Delta x is equal to 10 raised to power minus 15. M is mass of the electron, that is 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31. Delta v we have to calculate. H is Planck's constant, its value is 6.63 into 10 raised to power minus 34. 4 into 3.14. From this relationship, we have to calculate the value of delta V, and delta V is equal to 6.63 into 10 raised to power minus 34 upon 4 into 3.14, 10 raised to power minus 15 into 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31. If we solve all these values, we get 7.8 into 10 raised to power 10 meter per second. If we solve all these values, we get the value of delta V is equal to 7.8 into 10 raised to power 10 meter per second, which is uncertainty in its velocity. And we know that the maximum velocity by which a microscopic particle can move, that is velocity of light, that is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. But this velocity is greater than c, which is not possible. As this velocity is not possible, therefore electrons can't present inside the nucleus. They are present outside the nucleus in the particular orbit, and they are not stationary, they are revolving in their fixed path. I hope this principle is clear to all of you. Thank you.